Draining cash. The most expensive bathrooms on earth. These bathrooms redefine sitting on the throne. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Popping Luxury. Hope all of you are doing great. So we are back here with another video. Today, we're going to discuss about draining cash, the most expensive bathrooms on earth. But before we start with today's video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for further notifications. So let's begin. Flaunting wealth is not only confined to owning the most luxurious estate anymore. One of the most important spaces in a luxury estate that the rich choose to customize and curate is the bathroom. Be it fancy bathtubs, marble floors, and sinks, or having fancy electronics inside the bathroom, it's all about glamour. Some of the most expensive bathrooms ever made have become inspirations for other interior designers worldwide. These are some of the most expensive unique bathrooms in the world. 7. A fresco suite Il Saviantino, Florence. If there existed a bathroom that could reflect the rich cultural heritage of history, it would be the fresco bathroom in Florence. This bathroom looks like it's not meant to be used, but to be admired as a piece of art. It is owned by Alexandra Rofati Vitali and comes at an extraordinary price of about $1.6 million. This bathroom has a special tub made of ancient Roman stone. The main attractions is the fresco painting by the famous Italian painter Domenico Bruschi, made in 1886. A person can admire the painting looking up at it while lying in the exquisite bathtub. 6. Palm Jumeirah Burj Al Arab Hotel in Dubai. One of the most expensive bathrooms in the world is in Dubai, and the Jumeirah Groups owns it. It is an exclusive bathroom space in Burj Al Arab Hotel in Dubai. A considerable portions of this bathroom is taken up by a huge jacuzzi made of marble. Several other such faint marble structures in the bathroom are what also makes it one of the best looking. The philosophy of Burj Al Arab is to offer a regal experience to its customers, and this bathroom stands up to such high expectations. The building cost of this bathroom is approximately $3.2 million. 5. Restroom in the Real Housewives Mansions, Montville. The Montville Mansion featured in Real Housewives is indeed a spectacular architectural marvel to gape at. One of its special attractions is the restroom, which is part of the master suite. It was designed and made by the couple Melissa Gorga and Joe Gorga. The mansion itself comes with about 6 luxurious bathrooms and 14 car garages. This great bathroom space features a fireplace which has revolutionized the whole idea of what a luxury bathroom should entail. Its cost was a fancy $3.3 million, and all the bathroom spaces are made in a manner suitable for family gatherings. 4. Chester Hall in Oakville, Canada. The Master Ensuite, owned by Chester Hall, is one of the most extraordinary masterpieces ever created. It is located in Oakville, Canada, and is one of the most royal-looking spaces ever created in the history of humankind. Every room in this space is a glory to behold, but the special attractions is the bathroom that features an elegant spa bath. What makes this bathroom stand out amongst other luxurious bathrooms that are particularly famous is the aristocratic chandelier that lights up the space. The sinks are also a rare sight and beautifully adorned with gold plates. This extraordinary bathroom comes with a mind-blowing price tag of approximately $45 million. 3. The Swiss Horn Gold Place in Hong Kong, China. The Swiss Horn Gold Place in China has the ultimate model of a golden bathroom and is one of the most expensive in the world. This solid gold bathroom is made using 24-karat gold, which added to its jaw-dropping cost of approximately $45 million. It has a spectacular jeweled bidets and dreamlike aquarium walls. The billionaire Mike Clark owns this masterpiece. The extraordinary bathtub is designed to look like a huge pendant, and the golden extruded walls are designed to sparkle like diamonds. 2. The Grey Marble Bathroom in 924 Bel Air Road, Los Angeles. The famous Grey Marble Bathroom is the part of the mansions at 924 Bel Air Road in Los Angeles, California. This property is reportedly among the largest spanning ones. It is so huge that it can hold about 21 luxurious restrooms. Among these luxurious bathrooms, the most exquisite one is the Grey Marble, which has a cost of about $188 million and comes with a spa bath. The walk-in tub adds to its vibe of futurism and aristocracy. It also has other special adornments like a double massage sofa made of pure leather. 1. The Rutland Gate, London. The Rutland Gate Washroom in London is reportedly the most luxurious bathroom on the planet. It is owned by the Saudi prince and come at the hefty price of about $392 million. This washroom was auctioned in 2015 as the fanciest bathroom ever made in London and the world at large. Such a high price for the bathroom results from the implementations of gorgeous fixtures and jeweled bidets. Rare and precious stones like malachite have been used to adorn the space, ultimately offering the ultimate bathing experience with a touch of royalty. If bathrooms were ever to be enlisted as a museum pieces, this would certainly occupy fixed spots. Expansive bathrooms has also become models for celebrities and business magnates who do not mind spending millions of dollars on building expensive bathroom spaces. Here we come to the end of this video. I hope you liked the video. Please let us know in the comment box, have you ever seen any of these bathrooms? Till then, keep watching, keep loving, and don't forget to share these videos with your friends. I will be back soon with another amazing video. Bye bye.